Today we are going to see about 8th standard English term 2 unit 1 book back exercise. Unit 1 book back exercise. Shall we go through the fill in the blanks? First one. Okay, Isaac Newton was born at, already you have know the answer also. Okay, 1642. Isaac Newton was born at 1642. Grandmother was advised to apprentice him to a early years. Apprentice him to a which years? Early years. Isaac made a clock by the dropping of 14 years. By the dropping of 14 years. The sundial made by Isaac is still in existence as a man. The sundial made by Isaac is still in existence as a man. Isaac constructed a model of the 1727. Choose the correct synonyms for the italicized word. Italicized means you can identify the italist. Italist means what? You can identify. That word alone it will be different. Yes, here Isaac was chiefly remarkable for his ingenuity. For his ingenuity. That is remarkable. Remarkable means what? Notable. Remarkable means what? Notable. He will make a capital workman. He will make a capital workman. Capital. Head. Capital means what? Head. Nobody could tell what the sunshine was composed of. Composed. Made. Composed. Made. But he cared little for earthly fame and honors. Fame means what I told. Okay. Popularity. That is popularity. Okay. Shall we go through the next one? Yeah, choose the correct antonym for the italicized words. That is synonyms. Now we are going to see antonym. Okay. His grandmother was very kind to him. Kind, cruel. Kind, cruel. The boy seemed to have a taste for mathematics. Taste, dislike. Isaac possessed a wonderful faculty of acquiring knowledge. Possessed means what? Lacked. He was observed to be usually busy with his tools. Usually, rarely. Okay. Now the vocabulary homonyms. That is two or more words having the same spelling but different meanings and origins. That is having the same spelling only but different meanings and origins. For example, can, can, can means what? We can, I can, you can, I can. That is ability. Another meaning was can means what? A container. You are having no home, a can, container. Okay. Yeah. Now the first one is address. Address means what? Your home address. That is location. Address means to speak to. Address to the water chief guest. Okay, like that. So this is her address. She addressed the open air meeting. See, open air meeting. Band, a musical group. The band was playing old songs. Band means what? A ring. She always ties his hair back in a band. We are tying our hair, no? At last what you will put? Hair band. Yeah. Then bat means mammal. You know, no? You all see, no? Mammal. I am afraid of bats. So bat means an implement used to hit a ball. I love my cricket bat. Right means what? Correct. He is right. Right means direction. Takes a right turn and U-turn, opposite turn. That one. Okay. Yeah. Now, one sentence I will tell you. For example, another two you have to do by your own. Okay. The first one is bright, very smart or intelligent. Bright, filled with light. Bright, filled with light. Our class monitor is bright. Our library is bright with 5 tube lights. Library is bright with 5 tube lights. express. You have to express something. Okay, something done fast. Express means convey. The parcel came express. I express my thanks for your help. I express my thanks for your help. Now kind means what? Type of kind. Okay. Another kind means caring. Well means in good health. Another well means water resource. So for third and fourth you have to write one sentence. Okay, now I told no, first and second I did myself. Third and fourth you have to did by yourself. You are to going to do by yourself. If you are having any doubt, if you have sorry, if you have any doubt, you can ping me in WhatsApp. If you have any doubt, you can ping me in WhatsApp. Okay. Phrasal verbs. A phrase that consists. Okay, this phrasal verbs will take tomorrow. We'll see example on it. A phrase that consists of verb with a preposition of adverb or both, the meaning of which is different from the meaning it's a separate part. That is catch on. It's a phrasal verb which means to understand. Catch on. Phrasal verb is call on somebody. Meaning, what's the meaning? Visit somebody. Call on means what? Visit somebody. Example, what they are given. We called on you last night, but you were not home. We called you by last night, but you are not at home. Next one is call back. To return a phone call. So I am calling you means you have to call back again. Okay. Could please call back in 10 minutes. Could please call back in 10 minutes. Get rid of, to eliminate. Please get rid of that old t-shirt, it's so ragged. Please get rid of that old t-shirt, it is so ragged. Keep on, to continue doing something. Keep on, very good, like that. If you keep on making the noise, I will get annoyed. If you keep on making that noise, I will get annoyed. Kick off, to begin, to start. The rugby match kicked off at 3 o'clock. Kicked off at which 3 o'clock. Look after somebody or something. Take care of. I have to take care. I have to look after my sick grandmother. Grandmother was very sick. So write the meaning of the phrasal. Look into, give up, put off, get on, take off. So phrasal verbs meaning means you have to the second one meaning. Okay. Use the following phrasal verbs in your own sentence means you have to give one example for those sentence. You can do by yourself. You have any doubt, you can ask. You have any doubt, you can ask. Put up with, keep on, look after, take over and go through. Okay, tomorrow we can see this one. I already taught you conjunctions yesterday. That is coordinating, subordinating and correlative conjunction. I told the example also. Yeah. If you have any doubt, you can ask. If you have any doubt, you can ask. Tomorrow we shall see the next one. Okay. Thank you, students. Thank you for watching my video.